The NICHIFU plug joint connector provides you with simple and secure connections for indoor electrical wiring. To prevent mating in an incorrect orientation, the plug joint connectors have a keyed joint. NICHIFU plug joint connectors make an easy job of ensuring that your existing wiring is safe and secure. The transparent housing plug allows you to visually inspect the connection to be sure that it's secure and properly polarized. The plug and terminal block are both reusable, and the terminal removal method is extremely simple. To remove the wires, you simply press the lock release lever using a flathead screwdriver on the plug. NICHIFU plug joint connectors make it easy for you to connect multiple lengths of wire. If you run out, it's simple to plug the two ends together to extend the length of the cord. NICHIFU plug joint connector attachments will allow you to take advantage of stranded wire connections. Using the VCTF cover and pin terminals, the plug will accept stranded wire. The NICHIFU mini plug joint connectors allow you to use them in a wide variety of tight-fitting spaces. They can pass through an opening with a diameter as small as 1 inch. The plug joint connector is especially efficient for the wiring of prefabricated buildings. The electrical wires are already installed when the wall, floor, or roof is made at the factory. It's so convenient you need only push the plugs into the tab blocks at the building site. NICHIFU plug joint connectors for pre-wiring.